Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 11th science. Now we will see how the spectra is generated. This is an excited sample of the elemental form. Elemental species excited because of heating. This is a prism. The electromagnetic radiation passing from the slit collided to the prism, then it get deviated in the forms of different color. Visible spectrum splitting of white light into its component color is called as a dispersion. Splitting of white light into its component color is called as a dispersion. As you can see, if the prism is given over here, now white light is exposed to the slit, and as it is collide with the prism, after collision with the prism, it gives us 7 different type of color that is said to be as a rainbow color also, with every color has different wavelength. According to that it has been given the nanometer, and you have studied in the 10th standard about VIBG or the 7 color of the rainbow. Dispersion of light, this is called as a dispersion of light, which we have studied in the 11th physics. Light emission by the sample of excited hydrogen atom. Try to understand. The light emitted by the sample of hydrogen atom or any other element can be passed through its prism and separated into certain discrete wavelength. This thus an emission spectra, which is a photographic recording of the separated wavelength, is called as a line spectrum. When the electron falls to the lower energy level, light is emitted, which is responsible for the line spectrum. That means the electron is emitting the energy. When the white light is passed through an unexcited hydrogen atom, means which is in the atom which is in ground state, and then through a slit and a prism, the transmitted light is lacking in the intensity as the same wavelength as absorbed in the emission spectrum. The recorded absorption spectra is also a line spectrum and a photographic negative of emission spectrum, that is, it is an absorption spectrum. Difference between line spectrum and band spectrum, actually we don't require in our syllabus. Hydrogen spectrum, all the atomic spectra, the hydrogen spectra is the very simplest. When hydrogen gas is subjected, listen carefully, when hydrogen gas is subjected to electrical discharge at low pressure, a bluish light is emitted. Means when if we heat the hydrogen gas, it can be ionized at low pressure. It gives you a blue light. When a ray of light is passed through a prism, that blue light, when passed through the prism, a discontinuous line spectrum is of a several isolated sharp line are obtained. Remember carefully, I repeat again, when the hydrogen gas is heated, it emits the blue light. That blue light is passed through a prism, that is the blue light is dispersed in the component light, and that component light is recorded as a spectra, and it is discontinuous spectra. Remember carefully, the spectra is discontinuous. The hydrogen molecule dissociate an electrically excited hydrogen atom emitted electromagnetic radiation of discrete frequency or wavelength or a wave number, you know very well. This wavelength lies in UV, visible, infrared of the electromagnetic spectrum. So through hydrogen atom has a single electron in it, so different atom absorb different quantum of energy and get excited to different energy level and fall back directly or sequentially randomly, resulting in a number of lines in a hydrogen spectrum. That means it gives you large number of spectra, and other atoms may will be giving more number of spectral line. Hydrogen atom has only one electron. All these lines observed in the hydrogen spectrum can be classified into 6 series based on the discovery, out of which in our syllabus only 3 series has been given. In the old syllabus there was a 5 series was given. The spectral series are means, what is a spectral series? That means what? That hydrogen when it pass the hydrogen gas when it is subjected to an electromagnetic radiation, when hydrogen gas is subjected to heat, it emit a bluish light color. That bluish light color when passes through the prism, it gives it component colors light. That component light is said to be as a series, spectral series. So in hydrogen they have observed about these 6 type of series. The first series name is Lemon series. It is remembered by the mnemonic as Lal Bal Pal, Bada Fun. Lal Bal Pal, which you have studied in the 10th standard history. So it is just the way to be remember about the name of the scientist, that is a Lemon series, Balmer series and Passion series. In the Lemon series, where the splitting of the light is seen under UV region, Balmer series is seen in the visible region, Passion series is seen by near infrared region, Bracket series is seen in the middle infrared region, and the Fun series is seen in far IR. This all topic we will study, you will study in 12th physics, structure of atom, this series. In 12th standard you will study about these 3 series mostly. In the old syllabus it was given 5 was given. Now as over here I will explain you about the 6th series also, Humphrey series, that is which is shown in the IR. So we have in all Lal Bal Pal, Bada Font, and there is Humphrey series. Now look at the hydrogen spectra. Bohr's energy level. Now energy level means atom. Where energy level means where the electron revolve, that is orbit. Orbit is also called as an stationary energy level. This is orbit level. N equal to 1 first orbit, n equal to 2 second orbit, n equal to 3 third orbit, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, and n equal to 6, and so on. We can go ahead. When the electron come back from the higher second energy level to the first energy level, it is said to be as a Lemon series. And even when electron excite from any number of orbit, that is 2, 3, 4 to the first orbit, is said to be as a Lemon series. Lemon series. Any number of orbit. From any number of orbit it excites and falls to the first orbit is said to be as a Lemon series. And the spectra is formed as a Lemon series spectra. N1 equal to 1 or N2 can be 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And it is seen, spectra is seen near UV region. For the next Balmer series, the electron excite from any higher energy level of the 3, 4, 5, 6 to the lower second orbit is said to be as a Balmer series. is said to be as a Paschen series from the which is fall on the third energy level, and which is seen is near IR infrared region. Bracket where the electron fall on the fourth orbit. Near infrared region, Fund series, far infrared region. The last one is Humphrey series, out of which only 3, at least for 12th standard you require 3. Lemon, Balmer, Pachal. In our textbook has been given this diagram. So just from knowledge point of view also you can remember. Here you can see the circular diagram. For Lemon series, try to understand, remember the formula. In this series, the electron fall from higher energy level that I explained you about second, third, fourth to the n equal to 1. The spectral line are the highest energy other than the other spectral series are called lies in the UV region, and Balmer you know very well. For Paschen also, higher 4, 5, 6 to third orbit, bracket 5, 6 to fourth orbit, mid IR, and in the Fund series to the lower fifth orbit, in Humphrey to the sixth orbit. Redbug represent a mathematical formula to find the wavelength of the various hydrogen line in the various spectral line. In every spectral line, Redbug was able to find out the formula, and he has given about the formula, that is V bar is equal to, or 1 by lambda, I can say this is a wave number 1 by lambda. Lambda is the frequency, lambda is the wavelength, and is equal to, that is you can remember 1 by lambda is equal to R. RH is the Redbug constant, Z square is the atomic number, N1 is the initial orbit near the nucleus, and N2 is the far orbit from the N1, that is higher orbit, I can say this is the lower orbit. For hydrogen Z equal to 1, so I can say that 1 upon lambda is equal to RH 1 upon N square, N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. Even I can go ahead with the cross multiply. Here is the electron transition when the electron fall from fifth energy level to the first energy level. See how the electron falls, fifth to fourth, then fourth to third, third to second, then second to one. Okay, fifth to third or fifth to second, then fifth to first, fourth to second, fourth to first, third to first. Question based on the hydrogen spectra. Remember the formula, that is 1 upon lambda is equal to RH into the bracket 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. Now what they have asked the question, find the wavelength, wave number, frequency, radiation emitted by the falls of electron from fifth orbit to the second one. Applying the Redbug constant. 1 upon lambda equal to RH bracket 1 upon N square minus 1 upon N2 square. And 1 upon lambda is nothing but wave number. For hydrogen Z equal to 1. In the Balmer series, over here N1 equal to 2 and N2 equal to 5. If I talk about the Balmer series, over here they have said that the electron fall from the higher energy level. So that higher energy level is 5, and for the Balmer if I say that it will fall to N2. And Rydberg constant has been given as 109677. We have seen in the previous lecture how to remember the value for the Rydberg constant. When you put the value here, 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 25, cross multiply 21 upon 100, that will be 0.21, and we can multiply. So we get to 23,032.17 per centimeter. That is wave number. And it is the reciprocal now. 1 upon wave number will be lambda, because lambda is equal to, we have seen here, wave number 1 upon lambda. That means we have got this value as a 1 upon lambda. Now we require to find lambda, so we will do the reciprocal. From the logbook also we can find the reciprocal value. The answer will be 4.34175 into 10 raised to minus 5. And as 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter is equal to 1 Armstrong, so over here this we will do a cross multiply. So ultimately we will be getting the value 4341.75 Armstrong as a wavelength lambda, 4000 Armstrong, about 4341 Armstrong. Now if I convert it into the V upon C, that is the velocity of light that is 3 lakh km per second, 3 into 10 raised to 8, 1 upon lambda is equal to C by V by C. So we can find the frequency, that is 6.9096 into 10 raised to minus 12 Hertz. What are the limiting? Now this numerical is not for you. Thank you.